In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when you're unable to add a phone number to your Steam account. This is a common problem that many users encounter, but fortunately it's not too difficult to resolve with the right approach. So let's dive into these simple steps to get your phone number added successfully. First, you need to open your Steam application. This is the starting point of our process. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the Steam website and install it properly on your device. Once opened, click on the login button. If you aren't logged in, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. When you've done that, click on sign in. Once you're signed in and on your Steam homepage, it's time to navigate to the help section. You'll find this option usually at the top of the interface. Clicking on help will lead you to a new set of options aimed at providing support for various issues. Your next step is to select Steam support. This is a critical step because it allows you to specify the type of issue you're facing and guides you toward the right support channels. After clicking on Steam support, you'll need to select My Account from the list. This will direct you to a more specific section dealing with account related issues. Within this section, look for and select the option that says Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. This is the feature that generally requires a phone number and can sometimes be involved in the issue of not being able to add your phone number. Next, if your specific issue isn't readily resolved with the information provided, search for My Issue Isn't Listed and select it. This option allows you to type in your current problem with more details. It's important to be clear and concise as you describe your issue here. Providing as much detail as possible will help Steam support understand your problem and respond more effectively. The final step is to click send and wait for a response from Steam support. The response time can vary, but rest assured they will get back to you with assistance. At this point, patience is key, so keep an eye out for their reply in your email linked to the Steam account, and be sure to check any support tickets for updates. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the issue of adding a phone number to your Steam account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.